So this is what's going on right now. Oh, hey. What are you guys doing?
The fireworks.
The Meyer first. You said. Hi, ladies. It is 11:30 at night, and there are fireworks going on. The only food we have is Haley's pretzels.
There's St. too and shredded cheese.
I know. I need to go to shopping like tomorrow. Give me some bread. Anything. This is the most. Like, what is going on? What you guys doing? How y'all doing? Imagine, like, it's like 11:30 and you just like run out into the street and you're like, I'm gonna set off fireworks. I'm just wondering, is it just a sparkler or is it an actual firework? Oh, he looks sad. Everyone kind of backed away. They're like, oh, no more fun. So done. We thought it was a sparkler, ladies. It was not a sparkler. It was a fucking firework. So we're doing the Jaclyn Hill popcorn with the Snickers mashed up and the M&Ms. On our way to IKEA.
Do you remember that time?
This person is so annoying. Like, what are you doing?
You're fine.
No, they're speeding up. Like, go for it. It's like, why do you need to be first? You did.
His license plate is 666. Exactly. I'm gonna get a piece for my bed. I won't have to sleep slanted anymore. Cracker's Whack Playground. Can you see it?
Don't take Haley to IKEA.
Or do. We can hit up the food court together. Get us the Swedish meatballs.
Saw your picture on my timeline.
Okay, did I really need to get all this shit from IKEA? Probably not. But I did come in for the one thing that I wanted, a plant. And it's really kind of shitty, but I really got this plant, yes, for aesthetic, but also for my cats.
Text across the skyline. Undecided as I scroll by. Overwhelmed for hours by my timeline.
Hi everyone. So me and Haley are on our way to, I'm not really sure what it is, but we're gonna go get some drinks, outdoor dining. But one of our friends is having like a little thingy-mabob with some fireworks at midnight for the 4th of July, so we'll see what it's given, you know what I'm saying? We'll see.
You got your keys? Mask? Lipstick ass. Keys, mask. Lipstick ass. Keys, mask. Lipstick ass. The party was a bust, ladies.
Oh my God, Tammy.
We got our
Baby's
froze.
first froze.
Hey. Hi vlog.
Hi.
I feel like I need to be in this.
Yes, you do.
It's Jules.
Hey, vlog.
Subscribe to her channel.
I don't have one.
What is it? Kilo Jules.
64 at inevermadeit.com.
Kilo Jules at onlyfans.com.
Yeah. I'm about to make that tomorrow when I get all the hits on my page.
Hey, babe.